What?
Palms are sweaty. I'm there listening to lines
I made my hair thin on it. This is so awesome. I've never been in a storm like this my whole life. It's so cool.
Really? This is so fun. I can't believe that.
We're in it, dude. Lightning just struck right over my head, right like 30 feet away. I heard the thunder and saw the lightning at the same time. That's crazy.
Feels like home.
Not for like Portland, Oregon. It's getting all foggy in here, guys. We're gonna have to open up the door.
Cross section. Whoa.
Somebody got some rock.
Love that window.
There you go. Alright, see.
Okay.
What's up?
I want to go play in the pool.
Bing!
Hey, Joel, you want to do some caption information for my camera?
Yeah, what's up?
Who, what, where, when, why?
Yeah. So, let me know when you're ready. You got beat it.
We're good.
Okay.
Lights, camera, action.
Last camera action. So it's 4:30 a.m. in Washington, D.C. The Lovebus crew is trying to keep it real, trooping on like a bunch of troopers, checking out Washington, D.C. on bicycles. Anyway, this is Brittany. I'm Joel. This is the old executive building. That's the Corcoran Art Gallery. And pretty much we're in Washington, D.C. right now. When did that happen? It's crazy. Thunderstorms, we'll keep you updated on those. Pretty much we're just trying to get that beep beep right now. That's all I'm trying to say.
I want to go swimming.
Let's go swimming. Right now.
Yeah, that's what Washington is good for.
Washington,
Swimming.
here for swimming.
No. I want some more though.
got pistachios! Yeah, I'm ruining the video right now.